Hey everyone! Welcome to AI Decoded, where we take the most complex AI topics and make them simple, fun, and actually useful for your everyday life. Every week, we explore new tools, trends, and ideas shaping our world. Let's decode AI together. Today, I want to have an honest conversation about something that affects every single one of us, which is AI ethics. We'll explore why it matters, what its core principles are, and how C-suite in a company play a critical role in shaping responsible AI. C-suite refers to the top-ranking senior executives in a company, named because their titles usually start with chief, example CEO, CFO, CIO, CDO, CSO, CTO. These leaders set company strategy, make high-level decisions, and I'll close with a real story about a girl, a dream, and a machine that quietly failed her. By the end of this video, I promise you will see AI very differently. What is AI ethics? AI ethics is a set of moral principles and guidelines that govern how artificial intelligence is designed, built, and used to make sure it is fair, safe, honest, and beneficial to everyone. Now let's know, why do we need it? AI systems make real decisions that affect real people, who gets a job, a loan, a medical diagnosis, or even a prison sentence. Without ethical rules, AI can cause serious harm, accidentally or intentionally. At its core, AI ethics is the seatbelt for technological innovation. As AI moves from simple calculations to making life-altering decisions, like who gets a loan, who is interviewed for a job, or how a self-driving car reacts in an emergency, we need a framework to ensure these systems remain beneficial rather than harmful. Here is why AI ethics is a non-negotiable part of modern development. The 5 core principles. 1. Fairness. AI must treat all people equally, without discrimination based on race, gender, or background. 2. Transparency. AI should be able to explain why it made a decision. No hidden black boxes. 3. Privacy. AI must respect people's personal data and not misuse it. 4. Safety. AI must not harm people physically, mentally, or socially. 5. Accountability. Humans must remain responsible for what AI does. Someone must answer when AI goes wrong. Let's see how enterprise architect contributions to AI ethics. 1. Governance sets AI policies, standards, and approval processes across the organization. 2. Ethics by design embeds fairness, safety, and transparency into architecture from day one. 3. Data governance ensures diverse, unbiased training data and protects personal privacy. 4. Risk and bias checks tests AI outputs for unfair patterns and flags ethical risks before harm occurs. 5. Regulatory compliance aligns systems with EU AI Act, GDPR, and global AI regulations. 6. Transparency builds explainable, auditable AI decisions traceable from input to outcome. 7. Human oversight keeps humans in control of high-stakes AI decisions and ensures equitable access. Let me tell you a real story, a story about a girl, a dream, and a machine that was unfair. By the end of this video, you will never look at AI the same way again. Meet Pragya. She studied computer science for 5 years. She was skilled, experienced, and ready. She applied for her dream job at a big tech company. But she never even got a call back. Why? Because an AI rejected her before any human even read her CV. The company used an AI system to screen 50,000 job applications. It was fast. It was powerful. But it had one massive problem: it was trained on 10 years of old hiring data. And that data was mostly male. So the AI quietly learned, men are better. And it started rejecting women. This is called AI bias. Nobody programmed the AI to be sexist. It learned it on its own, from biased human data. It even penalized CVs that included the word women's, like Women's Chess Club. This is the danger of AI without ethics. Real harm. Real people. Zero intention. The good news? Amazon shut down that biased AI in 2018. and the world started paying attention. Ethical AI means using diverse data, testing for bias, building diverse teams, and always keeping a human in the loop for big decisions. It is not complicated. It just takes intention. Here is the moral: AI should serve every single human being. Not just the rich. Not just men. Not just one country. Everyone. Because technology is only as powerful as the values we put inside it, and technology is only as good as the people who build it. AI learns from humans. If humans carry bias, fear, or greed, AI will too. Building ethical AI starts with building ethical people. If this video made you think, like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you.